Okay guys, it's meal prep time. This is my back to basics week and I am doing smoothies for lunch every single day this week. So meal prep was actually super easy and it's so awesome to have it done because I will just grab and go in the morning. So lunch is smoothies and snack will be vegetables all week long. Let me show you. Okay, here's my smoothie train. So I have 5 sets of smoothies here. In the jar is the smoothie base. They are all the same. So I have a half cup of Chobani non-fat Greek yogurt for 0 smart points, half cup of almond milk for 0 smart points, and then 2 packs of sweetener for 0 smart points. So you can use actually 2 packs of sweetener is 0 and 3 packs is 1. So I always try to keep it to 2 packs. So everything, all of the smoothie bases are 0 smart points. That is the dairy and the protein for my smoothies. And then the smoothies here, I have actually 3 different flavors for 5 days of the week. So here I have some mango. I have chunks of fresh mango, chunks of fresh apple, and then this squishy part down here is the banana. So my bananas look like this because when bananas go really ripe and I don't want to eat them, I just throw them in the freezer with the skin and all, and then when I'm ready to use them, I just peel them and kind of squish them out. So they are actually in varying shades of ripeness. That one's really ripe. This one here, not as ripe. So anyway, that is why my bananas look like that. So I have 2 bags of the mango with apple and banana. I'm gonna freeze them kind of flat like this so they don't freeze in big chunks, and they'll be able to just blend in the blender pretty easily. So I'm putting all of these in the freezer, and then I will just grab a bag in the morning when I'm ready to go. So 2 bags of the mango, apple, banana. This is 1 bag of blueberry. These were frozen blueberries. So frozen blueberries, apple again, and the bananas down here somewhere. And then I have 2 bags of strawberry bananas. So this was frozen strawberries. There's my frozen banana, and then I have fresh apple chunks. So all of my fruit bags, I'm not counting any points for the blended fruit. It is all just either fresh fruit or frozen unsweetened fruit. So those are my 5 smoothies for 5 days of the week. And over here are my snacks. I'm really just wanting to cut back quite a bit on calories and points this week, so my snacks are going to be just raw vegetables. So each day of the week I'm just going to grab a bag for the day, and then I'll have my snack probably in the early evening after I've had my smoothie. So grape tomatoes, 0 smart points, baby carrots, 0 smart points, and I don't expect to eat this whole bag, but I'm just going to grab the whole bag and bring it with me and, you know, eat what I do and don't eat what I don't. So baby carrots, 0. This is a bag of the Persian cucumbers, which are super crunchy and yummy. So I will slice those and eat those. I have a big bag of cut celery. This is probably my least favorite. I actually just like the white celery, the celery hearts. So that's what I tried to get in the bag. And then the last option is going to be this vegetable medley. So just some raw vegetables. So these are my snacks for the week, and that's it. Super easy meal prep, but it's going to be super easy for me to grab and go in the morning.